I almost quit my second YouTube channel, not because I was lazy, but because nobody was watching. And if you are feeling that way right now, this video is for you. I was posting, trying to be consistent, doing what everybody tells me to do. But the views stayed low, sometimes 10, at times 20. And slowly, doubt creeps in. I started asking myself, is this worth it? Am I wasting my time? Maybe YouTube just isn't for me. The hardest time was not just the low view, but it was the silence. No comments, no feedback, just uploading into the dark. That silence makes you feel invisible. And that's where most creators quit. What stopped me wasn't motivation. It wasn't a viral video, but it was a realization. Every creator I admired once posted to nobody. They didn't grow because they were special. They grew because they stayed. Quitting feels logical when there's no reward. But quitting only guarantees one thing: zero growth. Posting with low views still builds skills, clarity, confidence, and most importantly, momentum. So, if you are thinking of quitting right now, please hear this clearly. Your low view is not a sign to stop. It's a sign that you're still early. You don't need belief in success. You only need belief in showing up again. I stayed, and I'm still building. Not because it's easy, but because quitting will erase the possibility of growth. So if you're a small creator who is staying, please subscribe. This channel is for builders who won't quit in silence.